There are some days that you don't really want to do jeans. Maybe jeans is just out of the league for you, like you're tired of it, you don't want to do jeans. I am here to present very simple, easy way for you not to think that I have nothing to wear. You will see that all these things are just things that are so easy, like maybe you have not even thought about it until now, or you have an idea before. Welcome back, ladies. How are you all doing today? I hope you all are having a great day. Thank you all so much for stopping by today. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. So for today's video, we're going to be talking about what to wear when you have nothing to wear. You all know how it is, ladies. All the time you're always like, I don't have anything to wear. Meanwhile, in your closet, you've got a lot to wear. Some of us, we don't want to go through the stress of combining this, combining that. Some of us, we are not too good at color combination. Let's be realistic here. I'm not trying to throw any shade to anybody. I'm not saying I'm perfect. I am learning and relearning. Like now I know what to wear and what not to wear. That's just me working on myself. So I'm not here to project my own style onto anybody, but I'm just here to give you tips and idea of what I feel you might be able to get tips and tricks from me here and there. You will pick some and you will leave some depending on your preference.
Do you believe in love? How crazy it could be. Baby, stop. Take it easy.
Before we move right into today's video, if today is your first time coming across my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and do turn on your notification post so as to get notified whenever I have a new video. Please leave me comments in the comment section. Let me know your thoughts about this video. The first thing I would recommend is a black skirt or a black pants, depending on your preference. When you have your bottom as black already, you can just put on maybe a white top, a red top, a blue top, a purple top, you know, to go with that black. That is easy, right? You don't have to think too much because that black at the bottom, it's no stress for you to start thinking of what to wear again anymore on top of it, because it's black that you have at the top, and black is classic. It goes with whatever you put on top of it. You will be good to go. And guess what? If you don't mind, you can do black on black and you're good to go. You just have to put maybe a pop of color on your feet if you want to. And some people, you see them, they do black all the way. Black top, black pants, black shoe. It's depending on your preference. But black will be your safest and easiest way not to worry about what do I combine or I have nothing to wear. Ladies, jumpsuit is they are so easy to style. They are jumpsuit. They're just like covered all through. You don't have to worry about bottom or top. When you pop in a jumpsuit, you'll be good to go. It depends on the occasion. Some jumpsuits that will give you that very feminine look. There are some that will just give you that kind of a sexy look. You know, some are open back. So when you have an open back jumpsuit, for example, like this one I'm putting on and this video, it's an open back. A bra that will be revealing. You don't want to show your bra. It is a no for people to start seeing your bra, especially, I'm not talking about bra strap under a sheer dress. Sometimes you have no choice, but I'm talking about very visible, that they see the band of your bra at the back of your outfit. It's a no. You don't want people to see that. Ladies, today I present to you Adhesive bra. I want to use this time to say thank you for Niidor for sponsoring this video today, for reaching out to me to try your Adhesive bra. I have tried one in the past before that I bought in the store and I was totally disappointed. And the reason is because they were not staying on my, ladies, they were not staying there at all. They were slippery. A little sweat, it started falling. So I kind of gave up completely on Adhesive bra. But when Niidor reached out to me, I went onto their website. I read about the companies and I read about the reviews, and I see how a lot of people are raving that their Adhesive bra does not fall even when you sweat. And the most amazing thing about this website is they also have fabric adhesive bra, not just the silicone that most of us are used to, because that was the one I used in the past. I've never tried the fabric one before. I think that's the reason why I chose the fabric one to present to you today. It's this kind of bra that will make you not to think that you have nothing to wear just because you have an open back dress at home and you don't want to, you don't know how to, you know, to style it, not to show your bra. I'll be showing you on this video how we can achieve that. This is the first one right here, and on the box they have their instruction on it and how to use it, and they want you to take your time, about 1 to 2 minutes, to read the user guide in the box before you start to wear, in order not to have it malfunctioning and you think that they are not effective. So they recommend you take your time to read the manual that comes with it. It's just going to take you just few minutes to be able to study it. This is the second one, and I chose the fabric one too, and this is color black. It comes like this, and they actually put 2 gates there for me. This is to cover your nipple, and this is what I received as another additional gift, I guess. Thank you so much, Niidor, for giving me this opportunity to try your product, which I think a lot of my ladies out there should give it a try, because we all want to wear some clothes that make us to look more feminine or look more sexy. And because of the back, it's open, you said I have nothing to wear. Meanwhile, you have something to wear. It's just because you don't have the right bra. Instruction to follow to use this bra are so easy. The farther the better when you put it on the side. Then by the time you clip it at the center, it's going to uplift your ladies, put them to where you want them to be. It's very easy. Just make sure your ladies are dry before you start applying this adhesive bra, and you have to hold on for 10 seconds before you let it go, and everything will be in place. A link to this product in the description box. I will encourage you ladies to please check this website out and see what you can purchase from them to help you to give you, uplift your styling game and to make you be more confident about what you already have in your own closet that you can wear, and not go like, I have nothing to wear. You do have something to wear. You might have the wrong bra, but you have the right idea of bra now. 2-piece. With 2-piece, you have no worries at all. You just put it on, put the skirt or the pants, and put the top. Because they are 2-piece, they're going to match each other. You don't have to worry about what do I match with this and match with that, because they are 2-piece already. All you have to think about is the shoe. You just pick a color from the 2-piece and match your outfit. If not, you can just wear a nude shoe or a black shoe and you'll be good to go. 2-piece will be another safe clothing item I would recommend for you to have in your closet on those days that you would think about, I have nothing to wear, I don't know what to match with this. Just bring out your 2-piece depending on the occasion and you will be good to go. Next thing that I'm going to be recommending that you can wear if you think you have nothing to wear or you don't know what to combine will be a romper. Depending on the occasion, romper is the mini version of a jumpsuit. So when you put that on, you're good to go. And the reason is because it's just one, like you just have one say on and you're good to go. You pop in your accessories, your shoe, your bag, and you are good to go out of your house without worrying what to combine with it. The last thing I will mention is no-brainer too, a dress. If at all you don't know what to do, like, okay, you want to have a stress-free day, just pop in a black dress and you can now put a pop of color here and there to pop it out. Or you could put on a dress just like the one I have here that has a detailing of some gold hardware or silver hardware, depending on your preference. You just match that with your accessories and you will be good to go. You don't have to think about what to match with it anymore. All you have to do is your shoes and your bag and your jewelry and you're good to go. This is what I would recommend for you to be able to avoid that I have nothing to wear. Meanwhile, you've got a lot to wear. It's just because the color combination is kind of throwing you off, or the time, you don't have the time to start combining. These are all my recommendations. Like I mentioned, they are ideas and tips. I hope you all enjoy watching this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and please do not forget to check the sponsor of this video today, Niidor. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.